घर छोटा हो या बड़ा, घर तो घर होता है। किसी को अपने घर पे बहुत ही ब्राइट कलर्स चाहिए होता है, तो किसी को अपना घर बहुत ही सॉफ्ट कलर्स से सजाना होता है। वेल, टू ईच हिज ओन। और आज हम आ गए हैं ऐसे ही किसी के घर पे जिन्हें अपने सपनों का घर बहुत ही सॉफ्ट कलर्स से सजाना था। And that's it, Design Cafe at their service. Well, we did make their dream home come true, and not just them, it can be your dream home too. So click on the link in the description below to book a free design consultation with our expert interior designers. Welcome to this beautiful 3 BHK of Mr. Rohit Garg and his wife Mrs. Gunjan Garg at Mira Homes, Whitefield, Bangalore. इनके घर पे एंटर करते ही जो सबसे पहले नजर में आता है वो है ये foyer area, and I must say that this entire thing looks so very welcoming. In this living room, the TV back panel embellished in gold SS stripes along with this wooden magvee panel makes this space look all the way more classy. The brown sofa, crafted in a contemporary style, is just perfect here. It's compact and not very reclined. In fact, all the other design elements, like for example these floral curtains, the center table, all are kept very simple, allowing the TV unit and this dramatic ceiling to grab all the attention. Now here's a design hack for you guys. If you want a very over-dramatic design, then make sure you keep the other elements subtle. That way, you will never overdo and the entire design will blend and balance each other out. रोहित और गुंजन को किचन का डिजाइन ऐसा चाहिए था जिससे किचन काफी ऑर्गेनाइज लगे, चलने फिरने के लिए काफी जगह हो और मल्टीपल स्पेस सेविंग ऑप्शंस हो। वेल, ये मल्टीपल स्पेस सेविंग ऑप्शंस ही तो डिजाइन कैफे की एक्सपर्टीज है। दिस ब्रेकफास्ट काउंटर इज क्लियरली द शो स्टॉपर इन द किचन. In fact, these pendant lights looks gorgeous and emits a very warm light, giving the kitchen a very modern and a classy look. Overall, I have to say the design scheme here clearly accommodated a lot of drawers, cabinets, this inbuilt appliance unit so that everything is hidden, keeping the countertop clean. और अब हम आ गए हैं डाइनिंग एरिया में. This dining table design clearly blends with the kitchen design. This space so nicely accommodates a Crockery Cum Bar Unit and a Pooja unit too. This Crockery Cum Bar Unit looks very compact, but it has enough space to store all your glasses and bottles. This Pooja unit looks so minimalistic yet elegant. And needless to mention, it has a lot of storage as well. ये full height wardrobe, इतना बड़ा मिरर और इतने सारे स्टोरेज के ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे, ये रूम तो मेरा फेवरेट है. This oversized grey quilted headboard surely makes a statement, elucidating a very modern and an offbeat look. The room is warmed up with hanging profile lights, which evokes a very earthy tone and overall complements the entire design scheme of this room. Well, as you can see, this room has a very minimalist vibe. And all the design elements here are more inclined towards subtle colors and clean lines. Isn't this so amazing? रोहित और गुंजन की 4 साल की बेटी मेहका का फेवरेट कलर पीच एंड पर्पल है और इसीलिए रोहित एंड गुंजन ने सोचा कि क्यों ना उसका रूम उसी के फेवरेट कलर से डिजाइन किया जाए. And well, that's exactly what we did. As you can see, this bedroom looks very minimalist with fresh hues of pastels and white. This beautifully lit up dressing table is the highlight of this room. The entire design here strikes a very good balance between elegance and fun. ये गेस्ट बेडरूम को हमें कुछ ऐसे डिजाइन करना था ताकि ये होम ऑफिस की तरह भी यूज किया जा सके. Well, we have made this room super functional, very minimalistic with less number of furnitures and space saving too. Hence, making this room look way more spacious and airy. अब बारी आती है हमारे डिजाइन टिप की. Furniture should have more than one purpose, especially when living in a small space. A sofa which can be turned into a bed with the right number of pillows, a group of nesting table which can be used as a cocktail holder, or even a bench that can be shifted from a coffee table into a seat in seconds all works very well as multifunctional furnitures.
So when I met Rohit and Gunjan for the first time, so they wanted a neutral, a cool, soft colors in the house, but with a tint of golden. So they wanted to add a little bling to their house. So if you'll see the decor, the handles, the wallpapers, so they all have a little tone of golden in it. And also they wanted a lot of mirror work and glass work. So if you'll see, starting from the foyer to dining, Pooja, kitchen, every room has a little glass work or mirror work there. So the house has definitely come up to our expectations. So what all discussions I had with Rohit and Gunjan, I think it has come to life with the house.
Well, that's it for today. Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. और अगर आपको भी चाहिए ऐसा कुछ, a house that exudes charm and elegance of pastel hues, then do click on the link below for a free design consultation by our expert designers. Hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such beautiful home tours. Until then, this is me, Rukmini Saha, signing off. See you soon in another beautiful episode of Design Cafe Homes.